Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Mary Ann Pineda. I am 43 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have three kids ages of 24, 21, and 13. I am high school graduate. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia since December 22, 2017 to March 22, 2022. My employer's house is Mudbrick Villa, 5 bedrooms and 4 toilets. My main duty is cleaning, mopping, dusting, vacuuming, ironing, laundry, taking care of 2 children ages of 8 years old and 5 years old. They are all 4 members in the family. My second employer in Hong Kong since October 27, 2022 to February 28, 2026. My employer's house is apartment, 2 bedrooms and 2 toilets. My main duty is cleaning, mopping, dusting, ironing, laundry, sometimes marketing, cooking a simple recipe, sending and pick up the kids from the school, taking care of 2 children ages of 3 years old and 7 years old. They are all 4 members in the family. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for watching my video. Hope to see you soon. God bless.